This week I have a much anticipated video from ChiaoGoo for their new Forte special edition interchangeable set. I posted, well, okay, back up. Months ago, I was doing a 2022 new product roundup, and ChiaoGoo Fortes had just come out, and the company sent me a few of the needle tips and cords, and so I was able to give it a try. And I said, as soon as the full set's out, I'll see if I can do, I'll do a review, I'll see if I can do a giveaway. And someone reminded me, hey, you haven't done that yet. And so I got these full sets. This one's mine. I have another one to give away. And then as soon as I got the set, I did an unboxing on Facebook and Instagram, and then quickly realized that the set had sold out everywhere and no one could find it. So I've been sitting on this and waiting to do this review and this giveaway until the sets are available again. Hopefully, if you want one, you'll get your set or you'll win the one that I have to give away. This is a beautiful needle set. I'm not sure I've ever seen anything like it. I'm so excited to give you the whole rundown here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here is the set. To back up a little, here is the box. It comes in this really nice box. It'd make a great gift is all I'm saying. And here's the set. It's a nice vegan leather case with a big sturdy zipper, really easy to open. And wow, this is the set. People who caught my my Facebook video, I opened this actually live on camera for the first time, and that's what I said was wow. Let's go over this a little bit here. We have 14 pairs of 5-inch needle tips ranging from US 2 up to US 15, which is, why am I having a hard time? 2.75 millimeters up to 10 millimeters. It's a massive needle size range. And we have the cords that range from 24 inches to 40 inches, 24, 32, and 40, or 60 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 100 centimeters. But let's go over everything else that's in this kit. And we'll start up here in the left corner. There is a tape measure, and something I didn't notice till later, this tape measure, the little place for it is actually elastic, so it's easy to get the tape measure in and out of there. There's a pocket where you can store, there's nothing in there now, you can store stitch markers or something, a needle gauge, and a ruler for checking row and stitch gauge, a pair of scissors, and in here we have the typical ChiaoGoo stuff. We have the keys, some end caps, some stitch markers, a couple of tapestry needles, and the little grippy thing. I'm going to leave some of this stuff out because we're going to need it. And this is another one with elastic on the sides. It's all very sturdy feeling. And there's a pocket here and a pen and a little clippy thing for, I suppose, more stitch markers or something. I haven't quite figured out what I'd put there. And then the needles. And the needles are gorgeous. They have, I struggle with that. They have a nice long taper on them, and I'd say a medium sharp point. I'm going to actually show you a little bit more about that here in a minute, but they feel warm in the hand because of the wood, but then you have the metal at the tip, which does help you speed up your knitting a little bit. And this needle section actually pops out if you just want this piece, and then it magnets back in very easily. And we have the pocket here. Oops, somebody's pulling on my microphone. It's a Basenji. We have the swiv cables that I was talking about. These are, LB, get down please, LB. These are nylon coated, these are the ChiaoGoo cords that everyone's so wild about. Nylon coated stainless steel. These cords don't hold a memory, which is so nice. And the swiv cords actually swivel at the tip, so when you're knitting in the round, things If they get twisted up on the cord, they just release at the swivel, no problem. It is so nice. This is such a nice set. And I want to show you a little bit of my knitting, because as soon as this needle set came in, I did something that I warned people from doing. I switched needles in the middle of a project, but it's okay. This is actually my Rodeo Drive Poncho pattern, and I'm knitting it out of a cashmere blend. And I put it on these needles because I wanted to try something out. Because people are saying that, like, everybody loves a ChiaoGoo cord. There's across the board, everybody loves them. But people were saying they didn't like the swib needles because it was catching on their yarn. So I thought that I should give it a try, since I always do honest reviews. And I'm working with a cashmere blend yarn. If I have the slightest catch in any of my fingernails, it catches on this yarn. My watch band keeps catching on this yarn. It is catchy. it's a catchy yarn, so I think I gave it a good test. You'll see that there is no stickiness at all at the join with this yarn. I'm not having the problem that other people have said that they've had with these cords. No catching at all. And the knitting is fine. You get the sound that you kind of expect from ChiaoGoo metal needles, but the warmth of the wood. I'm knitting in an awkward position right now. No catching. Okay, so that's my experience with them. Other people have said that they don't like these cords. I love them. I think they're great in this set. And one more thing I'll show you is actually attaching the cords to the needles. You can take a couple of keys out, and you have the little grippy thing, the little heart that you saw. You pick the cord length that you want, and the needle size that you need. You screw one into the other. And we actually have 2 different cord joins. The bigger sizes use a different cord join. The join is bigger. And whoops, with this set, you only need 1 key. Sometimes the ChiaoGoo needles have 2 holes and you can just use 2 keys. But this time we're going to put the key in the hole at the cord and then take the little grippy thing. And that helps you get a good grip on the needle while you tighten it up the rest of the way. And I have never had a ChiaoGoo needle come apart on me when I've done those steps. Then to put everything away again, just reverse the process. And then you put things away so you know exactly where they are next time you need them. Okay, I've got some putting away to do here too. Anyway, this is the gorgeous, gorgeous Forte needle set from ChiaoGoo. And yes, I have 1 set to give away. Beautiful, isn't it? Are you excited now? I'm pretty excited too. I love using these needles. I am really impressed with them. I should have said this in the intro of the video. If you want to enter this giveaway, just click the little I in the upper right-hand corner to go to my website and fill out the form to be entered. I'll also put a link in the video description field below if you don't see that little I. Anyway, what a great ending of the year to be able to give away this gorgeous needle set. Good luck.